Hi all, this is just a short part two to my how to use Wakelet video. I just want to show you a couple things that I didn't get a chance to in the first video. You get cut off after 15 minutes using this platform, Screencast-O-Matic. So I finished making my Wakelet for the best we could do, right? We got as far as I think this one, and I added a second article or MLA entry, and then this review would be useful. I uploaded a second piece of background information. Then I went ahead and put some related readings. So, here's one, Viet Thanh Nguyen's essay, I Love America, that's why I tell the truth about it. The MLA entry, why it would be useful. And then I've uploaded a PDF, right? So that's another thing you can do, is upload PDFs or other things like that. Let me just show you quickly, just talk about that very quickly. Then I'll show you one last thing, and then you should be good to go for now. Please do play around with Wakelet and see what else you can find out. I'm still learning some of the finer points myself, but I like it because it's a good basic platform to do this kind of work. So you can paste URLs where you just paste it here, or YouTube videos where you can look up the name of the video and find it and embed it directly. That usually works better. You can also put images. You can also upload PDFs or things from your Google Drive. So this is good if you find, say you find an article on the Chafee library database that isn't something you can find on the open internet, then that's a good way to do it. If you can download the PDF, you can just upload it directly here. So that's a good thing to do too. Okay, so that's mostly what you're going to be using: PDFs, text, and URLs, I would think. If you want to get creative and add images, go for it. That'd be great. Anyway, so I just want to show you that. That's I posted both of the Wakelet projects that I created to the Canvas site, so you can take a look. You can scroll through these, and that's just the one. Well, let me go home. I've created the two, so you can look through and see what I've done. Both of them are 14 items long, right? That includes the headers and everything. So yours should be similar, right? And then let me go back in here. The one last thing I wanted to show you, which is very important, is going here. You're going to need to change the visibility, okay? Because the visibility, the default visibility, let me just click on the default visibility is private. So you're going to need to change it unlisted or public. I just put it public. I don't care if people want to see my collection. That's fine. I'm not trying to keep it secret from anybody. If you want to put unlisted, that way only people with the link can see your collection, that's fine too. Either one of those will work for us, I assume. But you need to change it from private, right? And if it's on private, you can't click on this share button. Let me just show you quickly, right? That should, see, so that fades. Now I can't click on the share button, right? You need to change the visibility button. I'll put it back to public. And then this will pop up again. You can share, right? There's different ways you can share it. I just copied the link, right? Copy it, come to our discussion forum, and what I did, I think you have the same toolbar as students. I linked to a URL because for some reason I couldn't just paste it in here. I don't know why that is. Perhaps you'll have some different, I don't know if it's just not showing up, but that's fine. You can just, let me just cancel that. You can just go, oops. I don't know why it's being a beast now, but you can just type in, okay, don't want to do that. Maybe I can reply to my own and it'll show up just so I can show you. Yeah, there we go. Ian's project, whatever. And then you can just link it like that. Right? Insert the link, and that way it'll be a hyperlink in your reply. Okay. So you have to do it that way. However you have to do it, if you have to type it out, that's fine too. Just make sure you share it in the discussion forum, right? And then everybody can check out a couple people's Wakelet projects, give some feedback. Hey, I really like what you did here, and this is very useful, and blah, blah, blah. I'm going to steal this source, whatever. Just engage with each other. Check out how other people are using Wakelet. Again, this is something we work on this week because we're going to be using it for the final project. So now is the time to practice and learn how to use it, so that it's not, May 9th and you're struggling to use this and and really cursing yourself for not doing the work now. Okay, this is a warm-up project. Should be fairly easy, and I hope it's fun as well. Okay, please do email me with any questions or concerns. Thank you for your patience watching my videos.